Hello YouTube, I'm Blue Bonneville. Today we're going to take a ride out to Arrington Vineyards. It's located south of Nashville. The route we're taking starts at Smyrna, starting at the intersection of Old Nashville Highway and Rocky Fork Road, which we just turned onto. It's a decent route, takes me about 45 minutes, 50 minutes total. A loop from where I live in Smyrna. Features some gorgeous backcountry Tennessee roads, some nice curves, sweeping corners. It's a lot prettier once we get outside of the residential area of Smyrna. Clouds look a little dark up there. There's supposed to be a slight chance of rain this afternoon, but I was hoping I was going to be able to get away with it. We'll see. Let's see how it goes. In the meantime, let's just enjoy these roads. I hope he's not going to a bike crash. There's been way too many of those around Nashville. And well, I mean, realistically, there's way too many of those all across the United States, but I can only speak with any knowledge about Nashville. See them on the news every week, sometimes several times a week. Facebook groups are full of memorial rides, GoFundMes for funerals and families. Ride safe, people. Dress for the ride, which usually means dress for the crash, not the ride. The air temperature just went down a couple of degrees. I think we are heading into some iffy clouds. Hey, there's the raindrops. Alright, I'm going to cut off the camera and put it away. Alright, where were we? Looks like there is a storm passing right in front of us. So, what I'm going to do is turn around and take another direction. So I don't really feel like riding through that. We're going to go around it. Yeah, just like that, it's dry. How about that? Tennessee weather, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, skies are pretty much mostly clear in front of us. I think we'll be all right. Now, this weird intersection up here, that right turn where that red truck just went, that is a fantastic road. I love taking that road. It's Del Thomas Road. Nice and twisty. It's got some ups and downs, in and arounds. But that is back in the direction of that storm. We're going to avoid that for now. It looks like the storm's headed north. So by the time we get back down around Arrington, it should be dry. I just saw some lightning over there. Great! Good day to be out on a ride. We are obviously there in the middle. We're going to be hooking a C shape. Headed kind of southeast right now. We're going to turn south and then west toward the vineyards. You might notice I keep doing that. Clutch, try to shift. Dang it, I'm in 5th gear. I've had this bike for a year and a half, 25,000 miles, and I am still looking for a 6th gear every single time. Alright, we're going to turn right here on Bonneville Road, and we're going to take this to Bonneville. How about that? Depending on how the weather is doing, to the west of Arrington Vineyards. I mean, that's the other half of the loop that I like to take, but looking over there, maybe I won't be doing the second half of the loop. I might end up just going back the same way I came. It's pretty sketchy over there. Maybe I will head back east, come up on the east side of Smyrna. We'll see. Let's see how it goes. That's what I love about these rides. No plan in place. I have a general destination, but how about I want to get there is entirely up to me and the weather and the roads and the traffic. Sky's getting dark again. We're about to turn west. We might not make it to Arrington Vineyards today, folks. We'll see. The reason I'm a little sketchy about this with the weather and all is I have just got the new Sena audio backpack that attaches to the back of the GoPro. So I don't have to run any cords or extra microphones. It uses my Sena that's on my helmet. And obviously the microphone from the Sena. It came with the skeleton case, not the waterproof case. I still need to pick up the waterproof case. So that means no extended excursions into the wet. Yep, 6th gear, still not there. Air's getting cold again. And there's the rain. I mean, it's kind of light, but clouds and water, electronics. GoPro plus in a backpack. Yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm not going to risk it. So, we're going to do something else today. We're going to go somewhere else. We're going to play on some more roads. We're going to stay out of the water. Must outrun raindrops. There we go, just like that, we're out of the storm. Alright. Well, let's find a new road. So, as you can see, I've been down this one a ways. I don't know if you can see, you should. 1080p, 60 frames per second, it should show up. So the red line, I've been on that before. Let's maybe find something a little farther down here and go exploring, shall we? Make the most of it. I will bring you back once I've found something. Oh, that sky. Oh, look at that sky. Gross. I mean, cool looking, but gross. We're blazing a new trail here. Never been down this road. We'll see where it goes. Seems to be mostly residential. People and dogs out in the yards. I like these little 2 lanes though. Let's see where it takes us. Yeah, we might take that road right there in a bit. So, let's talk motovloggers, YouTubers that make a living doing this. That's not what I'm trying to do. Now there's a raindrop. That is my signal to turn around and try that other road that's not heading towards thunderclouds of doom. Let's go check it out. Looking at the map, this road was endowed, indeed, Indeed, about to turn west. Actually, right up towards Arrington Vineyards. Note to self. So, as I was saying, YouTubers, motovloggers. I've watched many of them, especially since getting a bike. Like most people, purchasing a bike tends you to do things more bike-oriented. My favorite motovlogger, Walterific out in Kansas. Dude, I love you. You're awesome. You're doing it differently than everybody, man. You keep it lighthearted. I love the editing. The little animals and your little added, all that stuff. The meme faces. I love what you're doing, man. Do what you do. For those of you that don't know, Walterific, based out of somewhere in Kansas City, maybe? I don't know. Somewhere out in Kansas. I've been through Kansas. It is flat. Not my favorite motorcycling roads, but Walter does what he can. His videos are very entertaining, amusing. He's a funny guy. There's a couple of others that I watch. Chase on Two Wheels. His wrecked bike rebuild is the favorite thing that he's done. I kinda got turned on to Chase on Two Wheels because Triumph gave him a bike to ride, and he is borrowing a speed triple, one of the triples, for a while. They have identified that motovloggers have a lot of viewers, and more viewers equals more reach and frequency for their marketing, and there's the rain. Time to turn around again. Looks like we're spending all of this video trying to outrun the rain. Escape! Alright, so, note to self, south and west is rain. We need to go northeast. That's what we need to do. These tires do a pretty good job handling the wet. I've got fitted on a set of Michelin Commander 2s. They're mostly known for cruisers. Oh my goodness, it's coming down now. Yep, time to shut you all off and protect the camera, protect the investment. Because I really can't afford to buy a new GoPro. I don't have a job. Don't have a job. Actually, looks like if we can head east, we'll get away from it. So let's get up here and let's turn right. My leather jacket's getting all wet. Still heading north. Yeah, east is where we need to go. So we're gonna head back up here to 96. We're gonna head eastbound. Trees, yay! Cover me from the rain. In the meantime, should I keep it on? I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll shield you. Cover you. Well, skies to the north are now looking sketchy. We'll see how it goes. Yikes. It's supposed to be a bike night down here in Murfreesboro tonight, about 7 o'clock. I'm going to go check out. Hopefully all of this stuff is passed over. And there are the raindrops. Alright, well, it's been fun hanging out with y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just headed home now, and we're going to take mostly roads like this, so it's not going to be nearly as much fun to watch. Assuming you had fun watching the 2 lanes. Anyways, I'm going to put y'all away. Again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.